Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I will be discussing about Marx's theory of surplus value. So Marx describes this theory of surplus value very elaborately in his theory of materialistic interpretation of history, and he says that the working class or the labor class is always exploited by the capitalist class, and this working class is the only factor that is able to produce capital, and this capital is only produced when labor is mixed with natural resources, and this working class is the only factor that produces capital in this capitalist system. This bourgeois or the rich upper class, although they are the owners of capital, or they're the land owners, or they are the owners of a huge amount of wealth, they are not a contributory factor in producing capital. They engage the poor laborers for in lieu of mere pittance or a small amount of money, but the amount of labor given by the working class always produces far beyond the amount of salary or the wage they are given by the capitalist. This excess amount that is produced by the working class is the surplus value, which Marx says is always amassed or is very cleverly captured by the capitalist class, and thereby they become rich and richer day by day, while depriving the poor working class and making them poorer and poorer day by day. So Marx believes only in the establishment of a communist system where the means of production is owned by the government, or there is common ownership of the means of production, and there is no private ownership of means of production. There will be it will end the system of this exploitation of the working class, and this theory of surplus value will find its true meaning when there is communism in the society, because in the communist society the property or the land will be owned by the government, or it will be owned by the state, and where the workers will have their all the right to have the resources, to have the right to own the resources they produce, and they will be given justice, and where they will be giving their due according to the labor they give, and the amount of capital they generate. So in the end of a capitalist society, this solution to this theory of surplus value, and where the true output of the surplus is given to their true owners, that is the producers or the working class of people. So this was in brief about Marx's theory of surplus value. I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and I'll be continuing my lecture in my subsequent videos. Do like and subscribe. Also, I'll be grateful if you give your meaningful comments on how I can improve in my videos. Thanks for watching my video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.